Yes, we are. Good morning, everyone. Glad to be back with you all. Sorry about the missing the last 3 days, but we're back. So, good morning, good morning. Welcome in. Starting live early. We have a lot of catching up to do. How's the trading been this week since I've been gone? Of course, Jacob. You know I did. Yeah, I never want to leave again. Never. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. I'll tell the story once we get more people on here. But for now, we'll just catch up uh, with you all. How was trading this week to start? Have you all caught any nice trades, or just been laying low until we could trade together? I had one or two decent trades, but I didn't trade much at all. I really missed you all hanging out, trading. Glad to be back on my routine, everyone. Hopefully, we don't have to miss any lives for a long time. If you have any questions, everyone drop them in chat. Gold selling off this morning. NQ selling off. You dream that you can start trading with me live? What do you mean? You're here? Let's trade together. See if we can find something. Oh, I'm telling you, the last 3 or 4 days has been stressful. Has anybody caught any trades pre-market? I don't really see much. What's up, TikTok? Make sure you hit the follow. Live on YouTube and TikTok. I'm early. I usually don't go live this early, but we're here. What setups are you all liking this morning? Anyone? Glad to be back. I'm gonna watch that as well. Jalapeno. The Asia low for possible reject. We'll see. How was price action during FOMC? Probably horrible. Yeah, what I figured. FOMC just is not like it used to be. What's up, everyone? Jersey, I'd just reach out to them and see if they can fix it. I'm sure they can if you just show them. Yeah, I see what you're talking about there. It's quite the retracement. Thank you, Ed. I'm glad to be back. I'm telling you, I missed you all. Oh, I don't know what that was that popped. Good morning, Nitro. Welcome in, everyone. Ask any questions. We've got plenty of time. We literally have like 30-something minutes before market opens. We can, discuss a topic, answer questions, or just catch up. I'm good with whatever. Was anyone stuck in Florida? Like you couldn't get home in the last 3 days? I got home yesterday, but it took me like 5 canceled flights, no rental cars, there was no tickets for like the train. Everything was just sold out, and they kept canceling all the flights because understaffed and storms, weather. I didn't think I was gonna get home. I was actually considering getting a private jet just to get home, but luckily they got me home yesterday, finally. You was on a cruise and got stuck? Your flight canceled? Yeah, it's been tough. Felt sorry. There's this older lady stuck at the airport, and she was just in tears. She was stuck by herself, just trying to get home. Welcome in. I'm glad to be back as well. Yeah, it really sucks, man. Especially when you need to be home. Appreciate the follow, David. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat, okay? I've got a busy day today. If we get done trading, I'll be nonstop until bedtime. But should be caught up, though, after that. Yeah, no, I appreciate it. I'm just glad I didn't. I was gonna have to have a layover in New York from Florida just to get back to Knoxville, but I found a last minute flight. They added new flights like bright and early, overnight, whatever. And I switched my flight last minute. Had my layover in Atlanta, thankfully. What's up? I would like to see around this Asia low right here. What do you all think for a possible short? I say it's worth a watch, right? Up around VWAP, the Asia low. Oh, you're in Sweden? Sweden? Sorry. Market opens at 2:30 p.m. That's cool. That's a good time. Go out all night. I mean, I could go out all night. It's just not something I like anymore. Definitely not a night owl. I'm a morning person. I know. Thanks, Jessica. I'm glad to be back with you all. Glad to be back. Good morning, grape juice. I'm early. I'm just sitting here talking, answering questions. Just like I said, glad to be back with you. Good morning. I know I don't fly Allegiant. I fly Delta. But I looked at all of them. I fly Delta. I like the app. I like I just like sticking with one thing unless I, you know, can't find a flight, then I look at other options. Made it back. I am home in my office, ready to rip some MNQ, NQ with you all. Do I do one-on-one mentorship? No. I just like to trade with you all in here. That's all I do anymore. Good morning. Jason, just hang out. We'll see if we can, see if I can help you out, man. I'm gonna watch for a pullback to the Asia low for possible shorts. That's the only area I really see right now. Push up. I just like to have one good trade. I've been stuck, like I said, I've been stuck in Florida. I'm back. Looking forward to catching a trade with you all. I needed a little break from it, but that wasn't the type of break I wanted, you know? I don't like the forced breaks. It's 03, Zach. 10-year anniversary edition. 10th year anniversary. Yeah, dig for green is selling y'all, huh? Go it is. Where did I go for what? Anniversary? I was not, why anniversary? I was not traveling for anniversary. I believe you have to be married to have one of them, for one. Good morning. I'm live on TikTok and YouTube. TikTok and YouTube. Glad to be back. Have a good day, Jersey. Hopefully you come back later if you get a break. Champ, it was just between the airports being understaffed and the weather, it's just impossible to get home. Luckily, after 3 days of trying, I made it, so. Oh, no. Sorry, you was confused. I was talking about the anniversary. He was asking me what kind of Mustang I have. I have a '03 Cobra, and he was asking what year it was, and I was telling him it was the 10th anniversary edition. I was not celebrating my anniversary. Okay, that was the confusion there. My bad. Thanks for clarifying that for me, Medman. I didn't realize. Thanks, Harlem. Thanks. Outside Daily. Good morning for those just joining the Zoom. I bet it was. You mean like the BMWs? I mean, they're alright. I'm more of a muscle car type of guy. American muscle, you know? Appreciate that, Miss Hill. Missed you all. I don't know if I have any accounts, but MJ, I'm just getting settled back in from being gone. Maybe I can get us some today and give them away tomorrow. Sound good? I'll try. Oh, and I got me some new Converse finally to work out in. My other ones just fell apart completely. I found some actually while I was stuck in Florida. They're hard to find here in Tennessee. The kind I wear, at least. I'm sipping some coffee. Glad to have my own coffee. That's right, Tim. I'm home. Oh, busy day after we get done, but I'm just happy to be home. Gold selling off. Everything seems to be selling off. As far as NQ is selling off, gold. Is silver pumping? I haven't actually looked at the silver chart. I've only looked at gold and NQ. I'm assuming it's selling off. Make sure you hit the follow, everyone. Go live every morning now. I'm back. I was stuck for a minute, but I'm back. So the lives will be constant. Though it's down 12%. Thanks, Kim. Thanks, Sarah. Did you make it safe, Danny? Did you make it all the way? You know what felt amazing was getting to work out in my own gym this morning. You know, my home gym. Good morning, Ken. What do we got? Like 17 minutes till market open? Oh yeah, I'm back. I'm telling y'all, it's crazy though. Whenever I miss, the amount of people that check in is just insane. It takes me like 15 minutes just to get through the messages, people checking in, which is, I mean, it's nice, but nice. Nice to be missed. What everyone hit at the gym this morning, if you've hit your workout yet? Tough week, Corey? Let's see if we can, no, I'm not allowed to leave? Okay, I don't want to leave you all anymore. See if we can catch a nice trade today. I'm going to try. We're going to get right back in the groove. Jesus, Alexander, now that's a long... What's up, Danielle? Good morning. What's it doing? What's Bitcoin doing? Is it pumping? We're looking at NQ 5-minute chart. Just take everyone with me at trades with me on vacation. That way we don't miss. Where's Jaden? I wish the market would just quit selling off. Can you not just chill out, market? Then give us a nice pullback to the Asia low. What news and events do we have this morning, everyone? Let's Big G, I've never heard of that, so I have no idea. I'll be careful. Hero FX, never heard of it, Big G. We have new home sales at 10. What do you mean? Exactly. Can I help you understand Asia low? Yeah, JD. It's just there's an Asia session, right? It starts at 6 p.m. EST. After the New York market closes, right, at 4. Then at 6 p.m. the Asia market opens, and it goes until 3 a.m. I believe I'm saying that right. Time change has me second guessing myself here. Yes, that's right. So we have Big G Trade Evate's what I use for a personal account. That's what I trade mostly, my personal. Wow, what a pump here. Jeez. I guess the market heard me. I am back. 6 p.m. Rose. No, I'm not in a trade. Comment King, I'm just hanging out. We got about 12 minutes till the market opens. I'm just answering questions, catching up where I've been gone. Thomas, it really could have been. Oh, Sean, it was a stressful one. It's all right, though. Where is Jaden? Where's Jaden at, Team Bull? He's usually here by now. We'll run him off or what? I come back from traveling and Jaden's not even on Zoom. Alex, just go to grizzlytrades.com and check them out there, the prop firms I have. If you don't like Apex, just look at Take Profit and Tradeify. Check them two out. Or R2R, we typically start trending around 1-1. What's up, Joe? How you? No trades for me until market open. Like I said, if you're just joining this live, I'm watching for a possible short where it says Asia low right here. I'm going to watch that. I'll be right back, everyone. I'm going to grab me some fresh coffee. I'm going to leave it unmuted if you hear me in the background. Still here, everyone. I'm just making some coffee. Drop your questions still. The coffee's making. So once it's finished
What
up.
up, Team Bull Money Team?
Good morning. I didn't know where you was.
What's up? A few things to take care of this morning. What's going on? How you doing? Good to have you back.
Man, I'm just happy to be home. Just happy to be home with you all. Trade.
I missed you, dog.
Gonna rip some NQ today or what?
Oh, we're ripping it.
Let's do it.
It's going down like the Dow Jones.
It's going down like gold and silver this morning.
They getting hurt? They getting hit?
Yeah. Getting hit.
Hit. So how was your final flight back? You finally made it back?
Man, it was one crazy adventure. I could not get home. There was no flights, no rental cars, no bus tickets, no train tickets. So I started either buy a car to drive home or get a jet. And luckily, I got a last-minute flight and I made it home. I actually considered renting a U-Haul and driving it home, if that's even a possibility. That was during my brainstorming, which is kind of smart, you know? No one thinks to rent them out, drive home.
Yep. Wait, why was there no rental cars? They were all gone?
Yeah, man. People were stuck. There's a ton of people stuck.
Get a U-Haul and drive it.
I was about to. Yeah, it was weather and staffing issues. They couldn't find enough flight attendants to work the flights, and that one day was just bad weather all day. Wasn't letting any flights take off.
That's crazy.
Oh, see, Stacy was trapped in Miami for 3 days as well. It's just all around. I paid $600 for Uber to Orlando to catch a flight, and mid-ride, like mid-drive, they canceled that flight. Like the 5th one they canceled.
Check it out. That's what I'm putting on my screen right now.
Grizzology. I'm grabbing my coffee. It just finished.
Whoa, transition POC.
Yeah, I thought about it, Kelsey. That was my next option for sure. Oh, we got 5 minutes till market open. I've tried that before. Why? That's solid. Solid. I'm sure spring break didn't help the matter, but I don't believe that was the main cause.
I just added that VWAP to my chart, that very wealthy after profits indicator.
Again, Team Bull, for those just joining the Zoom, I'm going to watch Asia low for a short entry if we push up.
Very wealthy applying patience. That's what we're calling VWAP on this side. Very wealthy applying patience indicator. Jendan, what is your daily bias? Should I redeem? I do believe that you should redeem.
Jaden, personality switched. Yeah, understaffed. Welcome in, everyone. Let's start sharing the live. Let's get everyone here. Let them know we're back. I need everyone's help. Let's share the live. Anywhere you're allowed to share it, share it. Run up the likes. Let's get it pumping. Manifesting a nice green day for us. Nice green day. V-Man, glad to be back. I didn't know that. No, I had people reach out to come pick me up. I appreciate all the love, for real. I would never ask that from anyone, though. That is point of control, Rose. If you're talking about this. Basically volume-based resistance right now. Thanks, Cottonwood Creek. We're going to make a bag today, everyone? Yes. Yes, we are. If we have a losing trade, it will be well managed. Oh, that's VWAP, Rose. We got VWAP on the screen. Good luck today, everyone. Let's stay disciplined. Do this right, just like we was before I left. Let's just act like I was never gone. What, man? What happened? Market's open. You who's read it every day this week, please don't take any more trips. I'll try not to, okay? Glad to be here, Naya. All right. Just me. There's plenty in there still. Glad to be here. Right now I like the Asia high, or low rather, for a short. We got some extreme weakness this morning. I want to see what happens. We got gold selling off hard, NQ selling off, so. I am back, Spartan. Share it live, everyone. TikTok, let's do it. Thanks, Paula. How you been, Paula? I am back, yes. What's up, Honda? Me, I did receive some DMs. I thought I messaged you back. Or I may not have read them all. My bad if I didn't. I seen your message though. What's up, Jada?
I was gonna ask what you were watching. If you're still watching that Asia Low.
Yeah, I'm still watching Asia Low.
560.
But this.
We're a ways away.
Yeah, this pre-market low may be the area. It depends where we close this.
I liked that Asia Low too when I began to look, because it was also the same spot as VWAP.
Yes, I like it. Maybe we can use this pre-market low for a trend down entry. We'll see.
All I'm saying is, since I started using Grizzology consistently, Grizzly, I'm on a 5-6 day win streak.
Nice, man.
5 day win streak.
I like Grizzology, not because it charts I like it confirms and helps you with all that, but I like how it just puts all your levels up there for you.
Yeah.
Saves you some time in the morning. Yeah.
You did a very good job with it. I'm not just saying that because you're my friend.
Thanks, man.
Something I really like using every day.
Oof. I agree, Nick.
DOD, believe it, I have changed my entire trading method from chasing, vengeance, FOMO, etc. DOD has shown me structure and confidence in my trade entry and results. Progress.
Dominique. Who's left in Team Bull? We got Brandon, GD, Jadon, myself, Jen, Jen? I believe I'm saying her name right. Jen. Who am I missing? Who else we got in there? Gene. Thanks, Michael. This is Grizzology. Go to grizzlytrades.com and check it out there. Thanks, man. I don't think I will ever open up anything like that. I'm going to be in Team Bull as long as it's around, you know? I don't have any desires for anything else, really. Just took it. What I want to do is simple. I want to trade live with everyone, have a good morning, good vibes, make some money, build some discipline, and just go enjoy the rest of my day, work on my other incomes, you know? That's all I want. I don't have any courses or anything, just hanging out. Nice. Diddy Jackson? Nice. Hopefully you can sell some. Some days I just want to make Grizzology private. I think once they hit a certain amount, I will. I don't want to get too crazy in there. A lot of people go for, quantity with sales. I like quality. Quality people, good vibes. Three news at 10 a.m. Home sales, business inventories, wholesale inventory. Thanks, V-Man. So 10 a.m. Let's watch this. Hold on.
Up at 544. What that means is valuable wins applying patience. That's the valuable wins applying patience indicator. That's what it stands for. That's the actual name for it.
Oh, I wish it was a little further in. I would try these shorts here. Come on, push up a little more.
So, Gene, Asia went good last night, yeah? Asia went good last night, yeah? You broke the losing? Didn't that feel good? Feels good to come back and catch a banger. Catch a heater. Still just going to wait for us to get these first 15 minutes, and we're 9 minutes in, everybody.
If we was a little further in, I would try shorts here, but I'm going to wait the first 15 minutes. I don't want to come back from traveling and feel like I'm forcing something.
Grizzly, how do you operate with the sell and buy signals that come in? I don't ever take them. I don't consider them like signals for me. I'm just curious what you designed them for.
Just to help with trend and the orb strategy. Two of them are, but the supply and demand takes more confirmation than the other two, so higher probability, but just to help guide, kind of give them a good idea of where I look to enter personally when I'm looking for that type of setup.
We don't have any nearby supplier demand on the hourly chart.
Yeah, we got room either way, so.
Yep. If we can break this downside range, we have a lot of room. I'd love to see that. I'd love to see it. I don't know if we'll get it, but I'd love to see it. Gene, I'm supposed to tell you, Dark King Joker said, tell Gene Jose from Instagram walked in 2 FF payouts, 2 more tomorrow.
Welcome in, everyone. Good morning. If you haven't already hit the follow button, my lives are back on schedule every day. I'm watching Asia Low still, everyone. For reject. 562. We got a ways to go. I hope I don't have to miss any more days this year. Oh. Any questions? What are you all watching? What's your favorite setup this morning? I'll ask some questions if you all don't have any. That's a long story, Dominic. maybe in a minute I'll go through that. 10 a.m. data, remember everyone. One, it was okay. Then we'll just leave it at that. Appreciate you for asking. Nick, I'm glad to be back. Nick, number 32 of the live. Good luck on that one. No data strategy for me. Yes, it is, Ken. Oh. See, we've got 20 seconds till the 15-minute range is in. 15, 14. Alex, this is Grizzology that charts all this. Go to grizzlytrades.com. You'll find it. Indicators are like a tool, you know, just to make your life easier. Brady, yeah, I've had better trips, but it was good. Other than being stranded for 3 days, I didn't want to be. Yep, Alex, you only need one. I think we all know. How is everyone this morning? Everyone sleepy? Fried egg? Not for sure yet. I'm watching. We got the 15-minute range in. I want to see us get out of this blue box on my screen before I think about a trade, okay? It's Grizzology. Again, let's go to grizzlytrades.com. A lot of people asking about Grizzology. I'm sorry I keep repeating it, okay? I know it gets aggravating hearing that. I'm not trying just to sell on here the entire time. I'm trying to trade, but answer questions as well, okay? Any more questions? Thanks, Josh. Yeah. No, champ, it has to be on TradingView. What's the typical strategy? We trend the orb and supply and demand as our go-to on here. That's what we usually look for. We're on the 5-minute time frame. I had a nice push day this morning at the gym. Felt nice. Needed it. Is it V-Man? He's speaking tomorrow, and it's is it still called quadruple witching? Or is it still called that? Or is it just triple? But I get what you're saying. Jerome speaking tomorrow? Well, the orb strategy is not really in play for me, everyone. Just based on the volume on the breakout candle. I mean, it looks like it's going to play out. Could, but there's a retest. We could look for the retest entry. I say we're better off waiting on that Asia low for a possible reject, though. I don't really know which way we'll go. I don't try to predict the direction, we go. I just have key levels I look for and wait on. Trader strategies either way. I mean, we could get the retest entry on the orb possibly, but I would rather catch shorts personally at our key level. One good trade. Appreciate the follow just for talk. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. 5.8K likes on TikTok. I bet we get to, I'm going to say we get 12K likes today. I bet. It's possible. VWAP could be the area. This 500 could be where we reject, but like I said, I want closer to the Asia low. I like when we sweep it, right? We wick above it, then the body closes back below for a nice short. Tends to work well with the Asia. Appreciate it, Thomas. What is software? Oh, this is Trading View charts. This is what I use for charting our levels, what we watch on the lives. My stomach's starting again. Can't complain though. Yes, broke out of the orb to the upside. Yeah, we're moving up here. Like I said, view up Asia low area. Still watching the same setup, Team Bull, that I talked about earlier, the Asia low.
560 area?
Yeah, that's what I'm watching. It could reject before that, but that's the only area I'm willing to try for shorts. I want to see it's kind of like wick above it, then the body close back below. Well, this candle here looks good, but see, I see a possible long entry now, but I don't like how we just push up the VWAP nearly. What Jaden's about to say that, but
Guys,
he sees what I see here.
where's the line on this candle?
I bet you're looking for a possible long entry, huh?
Before I am. I don't love it with our pre-market trend, but intraday it looks all right. 475. The lowest candle is 448.
I just hope it doesn't reject right here. Come on, just a little further up.
The low here is 448. Still a bit more risk. Wanted to see it more into like lower 470s. We're still above that 15-minute high. We have pre-market high up here. As far as a strict 2-bar, it technically is valid right here.
Nice CT. I wanted shorts. I'm not really interested in longs here, everyone. Just so that's clear. Massive candle that confirmed there.
Still nothing yet. See how this 5-minute closes. See if it gives us something.
Good morning, Austin. No, Mike, I'm not in shorts. Not yet. Well, I'm actually wearing shorts, but I'm not in a short trade, okay? Just to clarify.
Here we go.
First dad joke since I've been back. Hope you all liked it. Florida, Austin.
Waiting for this 5-minute chart to give me some confirmation. I've contemplated the longs. Just wasn't 100% confident quite yet. If I do try them, I'll be lower risk.
Appreciate the follow, Mo.
Pre-market action was.
I'm glad you're here. Live on YouTube and TikTok. TikTok, if you want to move over to the YouTube, you're more than welcome to. You can find the link at grizzlytrades.com for my socials.
Do we have data in a minute too?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, we do. Well, shucks. No, I'm definitely not taking it. I was contemplating taking it with a little more risk, but data in a minute. I'm just going to wait for this data to come and then I'll wait. 5-minute looks okay, candlestick-wise. Volume-wise, not super incredible. I'm going to wait. I just hate taking positions right before data, too. When it goes well, if we were to rock it up, that's great. But when it doesn't go well, you can get stopped in about 5 seconds. still think candlestick structure wise, we look better for the upside on both the.
Oh. Now watch this Asia low area, everyone. I know. Was they mom splitting? I haven't looked. Thanks for sharing it the live, Mo. I realize this VWAP could be where we sell back off at, but I want higher still. It comes on Grizzology. Are you asking the settings for Grizzology, Brendan? Nice outside daily. It was a legit setup. The only reason I didn't take the pullback for longs here, we have VWAP right above. I knew there's a chance that we sold off. We actually came pretty close to your stop too. Yeah. So let me show you. Come on, don't reject here. I'm not in a trade right now. I'll let you all know if I take one. The only place I would really consider shorts is right here. was trying to sell off here. It may sell off hard here, everyone. I may have to miss out. Let's see. Nice, Jacob. Thanks, Thomas. Oh no. The reason I'm looking short, everyone, for one thing, you all can see we've had weakness, right? I mean, it's clear. Now we're just looking for a pullback to catch the move on down. And it doesn't make a lot of sense, trying to catch longs, especially like you're trying to long right below VWAP or right below the Asia low. This trade was okay to take, yeah, because you had room up. I was just being extremely picky here. But now shorts is the only thing I'm looking for. We have too much resistance above, okay? We got too many things we could possibly reject off of. Good morning. No way. What's up, Real? I'm not sure what you're referring to. I might have missed something. Yeah. Guess.
Damn, Grizzly, they're really going to reject us 30 points early?
Yeah, I believe so, man. I think VWAP was it, wasn't it?
It's kind of looking like it. Currently trading the NASDAQ. Nasdaqita is what I call her. She's a feisty one, I'll tell you that. Nasdaqita has a mind of her own. She's great. She's amazing. She takes care of us. She provides for us. But when Nasdaqita starts acting up, you want to watch out.
Oh, well. Patience will be what pays us today, everyone. No forcing trades, no making up setups in your head. Let's wait on a legit setup. If we take a loss, it's going to be because it will not be because we forced a trade. It will be because we took a legit setup, we managed our risk, and it just simply failed. I still like the Asia low best. If we just get a strong close above the Asia low, I'm not even going to watch that. It all depends how we react to Asia low if I try it. One thing we don't want to see is a big increase on buying volume, right? We don't want to see aggressive buying right at the Asia low. We don't want to see a huge increase in volume. I mean, it's not really a trend up. We could possibly see pre-market high, right? We're in between pre-market low and high now. We haven't even made it back inside the Asia session range. I'm telling you, well, the Asia low is going to be where it is if we catch a short. What's up? Nice, V-Man. Please don't reject yet. Asia low is at 562. Don't. Look at this nonsense. We didn't even get up to it. I'm going to take a closer look at this candle. Positive delta. Currently. It's going to have positive delta. 344 total positive. That was it. It's going to reject here, I bet. I hope it retraces this candle. Momentum, I was looking on the actual footprint chart. Hopefully it pushes a little bit higher, Cal, before it goes. I mean, I'm okay taking shorts in this area if we get confirmation, but I just I was just simply looking for a sweep at Asia low. What is this price action I came back to? What did you all do to NQ while I was gone? There's a nice setup yesterday. Was it yesterday? The fair value gap I posted? I believe it was. Welcome in, everyone. Hit the follow. Going live every morning. I had to miss 3 days in a row, but I don't plan on doing that again rest of the year. Unless, just have another crazy experience like that, Wednesday, I didn't see, Tuesday, I didn't see a trade all day that I would have taken on NQ. Happy Thursday. Is it my fault, me? What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I gotta do a little marketing here, everyone. If you all want to try funded accounts and you don't know what company to go with or whatever, go to my website grizzlytrades.com. Check out the prop firms I have there. Use code Grizzly, all caps. Give you the best discount. See which one you like. Tradeify has straight to, you can skip the evals, go straight to some funded. Apex, you can trade up to 20 accounts total, linked. And take profit, of course, one of the best. So check it out, see what works best for you. Now I'm done with that. See if we can get a setup. Thanks, Honda. Next week, I plan on really grinding these lives with you all, so pack your lunch next week. Just, I guess VWAP was it, everyone, but I just didn't want to take it there. I wanted a little higher. I mean, we knew the area we was watching for a reject. I said between VWAP and Asia low, but I actually wanted to touch that Asia low even better, that previous week low right here at 567. I mean, we had the right idea. We just didn't. It just didn't allow us an entry. I mean, it happens, you know.
There's only one on enter.
Well, I don't think it's going to give us the Asia low, Jaden.
15 or 14 points away, bro.
That's all I wanted. Just a little touch and this wick push back down, you know.
It's the high and low point of the day. Let's see. We're about to the 50% point of the whole day at that 15-minute high, so.
Do you have your London levels on right now?
No, I just have pre-market high and low. This might give us a nice continuation reversal pattern if we can get higher volume here. That'd be great. I'd look for a retest back up. We'll stop above like 25,000. I actually really like that. If we close down here, higher volume, solid candle, look for a retest back up. For short, stops above like 25,000.
25,000.
Or 20, or no,
24,500.
24,500. Yeah, guys, 500 point stop. We'll go for a 500 point stop and 40 point gain. We'll have negative. We'll have.
I mean, if you can get us a 1-to-1 trim, I'm down. No trades for me. I'm just being very patient this morning. It missed a reject by not many points at all. So see if we get a high volume candle like Jadon said. You forgot to put a Y in front of the instead of the H, Jadon. You gotta have a Y.
Yeah, if we just put a 500 point stop, we can't lose, right?
Excuse me. Nick, I'm not taking anything. Just haven't had a entry for short yet. And this candle here is just not gonna have the volume either.
I see the idea behind longs, for sure. I understand it.
No entries. I do have some good coffee this morning. Happy about that, if nothing else. Everyone loves like going out and getting coffee and stuff. I'd rather drink my coffee at home any day. Make my own, sip on it. Peace, quiet. What kind do I make at home? For those that don't know, I know you're going to pass judgment when I tell you this, but that's okay. I'm drinking Folgers, straight up. I like it just straight coffee. Corey, followers, I know what you're trying to say. Folgers. That's right, Kayla. That is right. Anybody remember the old Folgers commercials? Besides Kayla, of course. Why does it keep auto-correcting everyone to followers? Every time they try to say Folgers on here, it puts followers. See, another one. 3 people tried to type Folgers and it corrected to followers. I'm only 34. I'm about to be 35 in May, though. Youngster, I'll take it, history. Call me that all you want. Birthday's May the 8th. Jada and I have the same birthday. May 8th. Nice, Tony. Yeah. Jacob said I'm an old wise man. Your dad's birthday, TJ? Isn't this unfortunate? I come back and this is not giving us confirmation. The only trade that gave confirmation, I didn't take it because I knew it was going to reject, and I just wasn't for sure if we was going to reach the Asia low, which we didn't. And Grizzology confirmed it. This candle confirmed. Had higher volume. Your entry would have been a 50% retracement. Stop at the bottom. I didn't take it though. Hindsight's 2020. Nick, we can't really add too early on these. I mean, if it had been a little less risk, let's say we added at 25, then we added at 62. I mean, that would be just too much risk, right? In trades where we can start our position early, I always do, or typically we do, but this wasn't one of them. Oh, 16.5K likes on TikTok. You are amazing. YouTube, can we get the likes up, the thumbs up to 100 real quick? We got enough people on here. Thanks, Thomas. Someone just mentioned sushi. Okay, fine. I'll have some sushi today. I've eaten steak every day for the last week. I'm not talking about like a small steak here. I'm like expensive steak being, you know. What did I miss, man? I'm not worried about it, whatever it was. I'm gonna be a little hesitant to take a trade at Asia low now. We've made the move that we was looking to trade, right? VWAP was the area. We see how we pushed up. Actually, this is a good. This is a good education. Some good educational content, if I can speak there. This is exactly what I was looking for. I mean, ideally we want the candle to be red, but you see how this candle here kind of pushed up above VWAP, then wicked, then pushed back below at the body closed down here, right? I mean, ideally you want it to be red, but that's why I was going to look for Asia low. I want to see us push above it, close back below it. That would have been our entry. We'd put our stop top of the wick. Oh yeah. Man, I feel that. So tired of hearing about it. This candle here that has low volume, I don't know.
That's what we call the F your puts candle. That's right. That's what we call the goodbye to your puts.
Did you trade a FOMC, Jada?
I didn't. I came back for Power Hour, but I missed his speech. Honestly, I didn't really have any interest in trading it. I had really no interest whatsoever in trading it.
This market's not making it easy on us this morning. I was hoping this would come back to a nice, easy market. One good trade.
We bounced that 50% retracement of the day. That shows if we can get a solid reversal candle here, but we want to go test higher.
Well, it looks like it's going to have some volume if it doesn't wake back or push back down here.
This would be a setup where I'd be willing to, if we can get a strong close here, I'd be willing to look for a potential 2-bar with this. Trend's been up, strong close, slight pullback, go with stops below that low. I'm not sure we get the pullback, but I'm willing to watch for it.
My coffee's officially cold.
We're about to engulf this whole 15-minute candle.
I don't even know if it's even worth trying to catch Asia low at this point. We basically made the move I wanted to trade. I mean, we can watch it. But
you know what I fear is we're going to test this 500 and then continue up, which is just a lot of risk. That's what I fear is going to happen based on experience. Good volume here. 475, 460.
I mean, where we enter would be about 50 point worth of risk or more. What's gold and silver doing? Are they making their way back up yet? History. That sounds like a plan to me. Fishing time.
I don't know. I haven't checked. Crazy. So we can see a pullback and then ripper. That's what I like to see. Pullback, ripper.
Gonna make a double top here? What are we doing? Ugly double top at that.
Come on.
Nice, Nick. See you back in the morning, okay? I'm going to be around for a bit, everyone, so hang out. Ask questions, follow.
I prefer like 470 to 460, but I'm feeling 500 might be it.
What kind of tournament was it, Zach? I didn't even know there was one.
Face melting green candle. I'd like to see that too. Have a nice day, Tyler. Tomorrow's a new day, my boy. Tomorrow's a new day. watch for this area.
Jadon's gonna look for longs down here. If anybody wants to hop in that with him. It's not my setup though. It's not the type I like. Is March Madness today? I haven't watched much TV at all.
I don't look at double tops right
I filled out a bracket for March
That's
Madness.
something I really watch.
I got Arizona winning. I mean, I'd like to see Duke pull it off, but you know.
Come on.
Think so, Jacob?
Watching.
This is making her life hard. What'd I say?
Price action. Try a piece of longs, guys.
Jadon's ripping some longs, everyone.
70, I got close to 69. Tried a small piece.
I'm gonna set this one out, everyone. Not something I like, but I hope it
Get those
prints.
closer to 60. I like that a little more. I like that volume though.
Yep, volume going against your position. Just rip up though. I don't care. Just rip up for them. Yeah, I got Arizona. I got Arizona winning. I'd go with Duke if they.
Stops at 48, guys. I'm not gonna have a very
Everyone
good
was
stop
healthy,
on
you
this.
know.
So, up about 20 points right here. It's around 1 to 1.
Hopefully, you get 500 and beyond, Jadon.
Come on.
Push up.
I'm trimming a little here in the 90s, just over 1 to 1, guys. I'm gonna be safe here. I'm gonna take a little off here on this push up. I didn't love.
Nice. Love seeing him win. I'm so picky, I know. This market's just nothing to mess with. If it doesn't just scream out at me, I'm not taking it, you know? Kind of want to try shorts. I don't want to go. I don't want to fade J Dunn. I'm gonna watch for shorts every well. Oh. I want a little higher up.
Hello.
Are you gonna trade still, Jaden?
Yeah, but if you see something you like, take it. I got my stops just under break even, green trade regardless.
All right.
If you see shorts or something you like, please take it. You won't offend me.
All right. So we gotta think, if we take shorts, our stop loss have to be at 540, everyone. So we have to position accordingly.
You see something you like, you take it, my boy.
Well, it's just gonna sell right off and not give it to me.
Trade's over for me. Hey, we'll take the green then. We'll take it. We'll take it. From 69 up to 509 almost. 508.75. So 40 points at the peak.
That was a good short. I just hesitated, man.
A lot of y'all probably got better entries than I did too, because we went down first. We went from like 69 down to 60, then back up. It's all right. We'll take it. Might get your short entry again. I thought the bull mask was gonna work. I had high hopes. I wanted to. If we would have gotten high, that would have been a nasty trade. 69 to like 550. It was okay though. We'll take it. Another base hit. Another base hit. That 5 minute looks like we want to reverse, man.
Well, if it would just push up a little more, I'd try some shorts. So if our stop loss has to be at 540, I don't want to have this much risk. I should have taken it I should have taken the previous candle when we pushed back up, because that red candle confirmed.
Yeah, I know. That was my worry too. As soon as I got out of my entry, I seen that. So close. I was like, oh crap. I said, oh shoot. It's all right. We got up to 40 points, probably 25, 30, 35 points, depending on your entry. Not bad.
We would have been in at 500.
I'm watching for that short with you too. I wanted to see a banger 50 plus pointer.
We have to position accordingly. Everyone, if we try shorts at 500, you have to position for a 40-point stop loss. So.
Come on, Grizzly. It's March Madness. No risk, no Rari.
I got Arizona winning, Jada.
I want a Cinderella story with the trades, baby.
I got my bracket filled out.
Did you? Yeah, everyone on Team Bull. I think you can still fill it out. We're giving away a ton of free accounts.
Oh, I didn't. Did you post one on Team Bull?
Yes.
I didn't see it.
Oh, you were gone. Right?
Yeah.
Please fill out your bracket for Team Bull. I'll post it in the chat again. The password, if it makes you do one, is DOD.
Don't sell off.
Sorry that trade didn't go farther, guys. If you guys want to join the Team Bull challenge, it's in the chat. Join the bracket. Go fill one out. Auto-generated if you have to. If you win, you can win up to 5 accounts.
Oh. I wish you hadn't taken them longs. We'd have been in shorts right now. I'm not familiar with Lucid, but Reggie, just check out Tradify on my website if you decide to go with it. I also have a ebook there that kind of talks about it for free if you want to check it out. grizzlytrades.com. Thanks, man. Ten more thumbs up, YouTube. That's all I ask. 10 more. Horrible price action so far, yes. Technically, short's still valid, everyone. But looks like it's trying to rip up. Let's wait. Let me talk to Team Bull. All right, I'm watching for a possible short entry here. I'm not in it yet, everyone.
Yep, interrupt me. Please call your trade if you see it.
Oh, let's see. What was volume on that candle?
It's tough. It's a little tricky.
Huh.
Said Reddit True Tide is a walkout feature on diet. Stupid.
Hmm.
Bro said Reddit True Tide is a lockout feature on diet. That is crazy. You're hilarious. Sleep is my only lockout feature. Y'all are too funny. I tried. Listen, if you're at the point where you have to use a lockout feature to do it, I'm just saying my ultimate goal for you is to be able to have the emotional discipline to not need that. You can control your trade. You can keep promises to yourself. I don't know why that angers so many people. What's wrong with that? It's the truth. I do this. I do mentoring and teach to help you make progress, not to be nice. You watch it for a trade?
Yeah, I tried shorts there at VWAP, everyone. I'm in some MNQ shorts. If it hits my stop, it's Jadon's fault.
My fault.
I got filled at like 513. Oh. Even though I tried to buy in before that. That's what it filled me at.
I didn't get a great fill in my shorts either. Earlier. Or my longs, excuse me.
In shorts, 513 is where I got in.
News candle. Let it die.
Let's go straight down. Rip straight down. Go down.
Downward dog. It's yoga time, baby. Come on.
540 is my stop on this, everyone. If it hits it, we tried. $5.40 stop loss. I'd like to get below 480 for some trims. Pre-market low would be a ideal price target. We may get it. Excuse me.
At least you know, even if it didn't work out, you got the initial push down, so you had the right idea. That always gives me a little bump of confidence. If I take a trade, it doesn't work out, at least we got the initial move in that direction. Like you're in some profit. It's just a matter of getting to your TP. I'm not in the trade, no. I don't hate the idea. I just didn't get an entry up there.
Come on, rip down. Quit playing.
I like the idea. I'm rooting for the idea. I'd love to see us just move.
All right, come on. This is what we're looking for. Push down.
Go straight through here. High volume reversal candle too. Looks good, Grizzly.
I'm trimming here, everyone. I'm moving my stop to entry. Filled on the trim. Stops at entry. I would love to get pre-market low out of this. 513. Stop. That's what I'm talking about. Coming back with a nice winning trade.
Nice job. Welcome back.
Pay for all them Ubers.
I love trading with you.
Sniper
we
entry.
Trade pretty much the same too. In a sense. Obviously we have our own nuances, but for the most part we trade pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Which is really nice. Yeah, Grizzly, you gotta make back all your Uber rides, bro.
Yeah, for real, man. Them Uber rides added up. I guarantee you I spent over $3,000 on Uber. Come on, don't push back up to entry.
You guys made some money with Grizzly or myself, make sure you post it and post your gains and tag us. We'd love to see it.
Yes, we do.
We gotta outdo Brandon and GD in there.
I see what you did there, MJ. I just seen your comment. If it hits 513, I'll be able to trade everyone. Green trade regardless. Yeah, we're just in this chop zone. It's going to be... I think there's a good move coming today. It's going to chop around.
Someone named Mr. Bish says thank you, Grizzly.
Very welcome. No, he's not. Well, trade's over for me, everyone. Trade is over. So 513 down to like 470. All right. That's going to be my only trade today, everyone. I have a crazy busy day, so I hopefully have some accounts to give away tomorrow. I appreciate you all for hanging out all morning. Hope to see you back in the morning, okay? Watch it print to the downside once I got out. It just wanted to retest VWAP one last time. We're green, right? Everyone should be green. You're welcome.